attachment 2. Hey everyone, my name is Samuel and welcome to Sunroom. And this is our second part of our series of the multifunctional attachments. And the goal of our mission is to push something. So we just wanted to make something that can push our wide object to the end. And this will be part of we have to also split the two objects, and we wanted to push two things at once. And now you can see our example. This is for the 2020 FLL City Shaper missions. As you can see, it's something very wide with a beam in the center to separate two things, so we can push two separate objects at the same time and also separate them while they wanted to be placed at different parts of the map. This is the little program that's needed, and also pause when necessary so you can see what is actually needed. This will be attached on the bottom of our first attachment, and as you can see, it's put to split them. Again, the objects will be placed in different spots of the map, so we just needed this to be in two different places. And once again, thank you for watching, and make sure to hit the subscribe button and the like button, and I appreciate you watching.